So we're calling it a day. We did get this concrete done here. Looks really good. I also did in front of the bungalow. That looks really good. I'm not going to walk over there now, but the most exciting part is some of the biggest thing is getting started on a project. Once you decide you're going to do a project, just getting started. Once you get started, it's more exciting, and then you can, I think I tend to keep working on it. So you can see we did some of this, filled in a hole here, feathered it out. Will this all stay? I don't know. It may not. I mean, there's going to be movement, but there's always movement, ground movement. And either way, this looks a lot better. Now, ideally, we need to bring this step up here, the second one, or the top one. See how it's only like 4 inches, and these are like 8 inches. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it there. So ideally, eventually, I want to dig that out over there so it goes into our dry well, anything running down here. Build this step up, and do another step behind it. And there is some concrete in there, so I need to dig all that out and find out what's there. This side, you probably have to remove those 2 stones there because you can see a block right here is dropped. And then we'll continue cleaning this. Now what I'd like to do is bring that even across here. So then that could be a base for overhead roof right here, running the water off that way. So there is a lot of issues here, but I think they can all be pretty much fixed. The steps are not perfect, but so they're a little weird, but that's not a big deal, I don't think. They are cellar steps. And we have some, I was looking over here, we got a lot of breaking out right there occurring, plus this whole groove here. So we're going to have some work in here, and we probably really need to clean those stones out at the bottom and start there. And then on this side, you can see how it's kind of broken and tattered, and so really that should all be filled in. Might as well bring it right over to this wood, and probably some good fiber stuff in here, really strong. And then as we bring down all the dirt from the steps, we're probably going to find cracks along the way, and we'll fix them as we go. So the bottom line is we have a start, and it's already looking better. So I'm sure it's just going to look better and better. I need to think about what I'm going to put on top of here to build that up. Do I do some stone, concrete them in? Do I get some concrete blocks? Either way, it's a slant, which needs, if I'm going to do the roof thing, I need to make it level. So that's going to take some work there and some thinking. And maybe it's just going to be poured concrete. Maybe I'm just going to put some boards across there. So I have build a frame and fill it in with maybe some wire in it and some mesh, and have it be one solid piece. That would probably be ideal. To do that, I'd have to have it quite a bit ready and have it be ready to mix it up and pour. And maybe that would be the time to go right around the corner with another step, because then I can slant the ground away. So that's the goal. I'm going to have to do some digging around here, but we really need this better. We can't have so much water coming off that roof and going into the basement. It needs to be more functional. Okay, I'm going to call it a day.